Hi friends! I'm glad you're here. Today we will be setting purpose, reading a new engagement text and a new decodable reader.
Materials!
Grab your thinking cap. Here are today's 3 learning targets. Using evidence from the text, I can answer questions about the story Night Skies. I can read high-frequency words and words that don't play fair. And finally, I can read the decodable text Night Skies.
Transition song!
It's time to hear a story, a story, a story. It's time to hear a story and say what you've learned.
Read-aloud!
Get ready for a new engagement text, Night Skies. Listen closely, and when we're finished, we'll talk about the story together. Have you ever looked up high in the night sky? If you have not, you should look up tonight. There is so much to see, and it never looks the same. Some nights you will see bright stars shining all around. Other nights, the stars hide behind fluffy puffs of clouds. It is hard to see the stars shine in cloudy skies. On some nights, you might see a moon that looks like part of a pie. On other nights, the moon looks like it has a crooked smile. On some nights, the moon hides behind clouds passing by. Or it peeks in and out all through the night. Have you ever tried to see the man in the moon? That only happens when the moon is full and bright. Sometimes you can even see the moon in the daylight. On special nights, you might see the bright, colorful lights of fireworks and hear a pop. If you look hard, you will see the lights of a plane as it flies by. It is fun to follow the lights as they blink across the night sky. You never know what you will see as you look up high. If you are lucky, you might see a star shoot through the sky. The stars like to show off on a really dark night. Have you ever looked up high into the night sky? There is so much to see. Give it a try. What do you think you will see tonight?
Question and answer.
What a great story. What are some of the things the author mentions that you might see in the night sky? The moon, stars, clouds, and even fireworks. What does it mean to have a crooked smile? That means the smile is not quite straight. The author says that the moon might peek out from behind the clouds on a cloudy night. What is another name for peek? It means to look, or to look out from behind something.
Transition song!
Let's look at some of the new high-frequency words that you will see a lot this week and that you will see often in things you read and that you'll need to use in your writing. This first word is have. It does not play fair. We would expect that A to make its long vowel sound because there's a silent E. But instead, that A says ah. Have. This next word is a long one, but it's a compound word. Sometimes. Sometimes is made up of the word some and times. You'll see this word in today's story. Our last new high frequency word is through. The word through does not play fair. That O-U-G-H chunk is a tricky one. Say this word with me. Through.
Read aloud.
It's time for this week's text. Look out for words that have the long I sound, made by the I-G-H letters or the I-E vowel team. Touch your nose when you see or hear one of our new high frequency words. Have, sometimes, or through. Here we go. Have you ever looked up high into the night sky? What word did you spot? Have. Some nights you will see bright stars shining. Some nights you might see a moon that looks like part of a pie. Have you ever tried to see the man on the moon? There is one new word on this page. Can you spot it? Have. Sometimes you can see the moon in the daylight. What new word is on this page? Sometimes. One night you might see these bright lights and hear them pop. If you look hard, you might see the lights of a plane as it flies by. If you are really lucky, you might see a star shoot through the sky. Can you spot the one new word on this page? Through. What do you think you will see in the sky tonight?
Closing reflection.
Nice reading today. What tools did you use to read night skies? Continue to search for our new high frequency words. Have, sometimes, and through. I'll see you here again soon. Until then, enjoy your reading and your writing. Bye, friends.